Opposition leader Mukul Sangma has warned of significant challenges for the NPP after 3 Congress MLAs defected to it, calling the move desperate and signalling potential instability. Sangma plans to write to the Prime Minister to urge an investigation into the allegations against Deputy Chief Minister Sangma involving illegal activities like drugs and coal trade, which fall under central jurisdiction.
Being seized off and on across Northeast, the value of which are in astronomical figures, not just 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, 100 crore, 200 crore, 400 crore. That means a big cartel is operating on these. And if such big cartels are operating in Northeast, this criminality is not confined in Northeast. Therefore, Government of India have to take cognizance of this huge allegation. It cannot be just an allegation and then the one who comes with allegations keeps quiet. If he has come up with an allegation, he also should proceed further. I am only asking them to be responsible. I am asking both the parties to be responsible. And that is my job. And if they are not responsible, I have to write to Prime Minister. I have to write to Prime Minister that these are the allegations, please take cognizance and take action.